Now, the Cetti's warbler is known to be really elusive for wildlife photographers, and it is a real nemesis bird for most people, and it was for me up until a couple of weeks ago at Middleton Lakes, RSPB Middleton Lakes in the Midlands. There's absolutely loads of Cetti's warblers there every year, but every year they're singing from the middle of the bush and you can never quite see them. So I managed to get some footage of it out in the open, singing also as well. So I'm about to show you some lovely bit of rare footage of the Cetti's warbler, a really difficult warbler to get, and if you can locate some, it's worth hanging around those shrubs and just seeing if it gets the confidence to come on top of a perch or on an outside perch. It's just a little bit low down like this one was, and yeah, and you can hear that beautiful song while watching it sing it, which is a real privilege. So hopefully you enjoy this video of the Cetti's warbler and a couple of images to finish off as well that I was really happy with. If you do like the video, please drop a comment below on your thoughts, give me a like, and also drop me a follow.